Welcome to the Info World Galaxy Chemistry 10th 2023 for all Punjab boards 10th class chemistry long questions. Question 1, dynamic equilibrium and its characteristics. 2, reactions of acids. 3, types of salts. 4, law of mass action and equilibrium constant. 5, acid and base Lewis theory. 6, homologous series. 7, functional group. 8, alkanes and their halo junction. 9, alkynes, alkenes and alkanes features or characteristics. 10, classification of organic compounds. Question 11, carbohydrates and their forms. 12, acid rain and its effects. 13, ozone and its eliminations. 14, sources of proteins and their uses. 15, vitamins and their types. 16, greenhouse effect and global warming. 17, water hardness and its types. 18, atmosphere and its layers. 19, salt process and its working. 20, preparation of urea. 21, describe equilibrium constant and its units. 22, write down the macroscopic characteristic of dynamic equilibrium. 23, state the law of mass action and derive the expression of equilibrium constant for general reactions. 24, describe the characteristic of reversible and irreversible reactions. Give example. 25, write down the macroscopic characteristic of forward and reverse reactions. 26, what are conjugate acid and bases? Explain with example. 27, explain the Lewis concept of acid and bases. 28, describe the reactions of acids with metals. 29, what are indicators? Explain. 30, write notes on base salts and able salts. 31, how is coal formed? What are the different types of coal? 32, what is destructive distillation of coal? 33, what are alkyl radical? Write down the radicals of propane and butane. 34, write down the characteristic of homologous series. 35, write down 5 physical properties of alkenes. 36, alkanes are source of heat. Why? 37, explain oligosaccharides. 38, explain the sources and uses of lipids. 39, write down the sources and uses of carbohydrates. 40, what are polysaccharides? Give their properties. 41, what is meant by vitamins? Explain its types in detail. 42, give the characteristics of troposphere. Why temperature decreases upward in the sphere? 43, why is CO considered a health hazard? 45, where does ozone layer lie in atmosphere? How is it depleting and how can we prevent depletion? 46, give some disadvantages of hard water. 47, describe the reasons of water hardness. 48, explain domestic effluents. 49, how crude oil is refined. Explain 2 important fractions of petroleum along with their usage. 50, describe the methods of ore concentration. 50, describe the method of ore concentration. 51, give the uses of diesel oil and fuel oil. 52, describe different steps of urea preparation. Numerical 1, calculate the KOH. 2, calculate the PaOH of 0.004 m, 0.0004 m HNO3. Long questions prepared according by scheme. 15 plus 9 chapter long question 1, 16 plus 12 chapter long question 2, 10 plus 13 long question 3. Attempt any 2 for 18 marks. Objective prepared from exercises of textbook. Short question, do only chapter 11, 14, 15 and 16. 4 questions from each chapter. Prepare these chapters exercises, questions and self activities. Long questions, chapter 9 plus 13, chapter 10 plus 15, chapter 12 plus 16. Do any 2 pairs from above 3.